Toeing the line of country's unwavering effort towards AatmaNirbharata, India has yet again proved its mettle in the maritime sector. One of India's leading defence PSU, Mazagon Dock Shipbuilders Limited, MDL, has launched the 5th Stealth Frigate Taragiri under Project 17A. Designed indigenously by Indian Navy's Warship Design Bureau and MDL, the warship is equipped with advanced stealth features, state-of-the-art weapons and sensors along with platform management systems. Further, the ship will be equipped with supersonic surface-to-surface missile system, and the ship's air defense capacity has been designed to counter aerial threats and anti-ship cruise missiles. It is noteworthy that building warships in the country has many benefits, as it provides economic development, employment generation for Indian shipyards and their subcontractors. Coming to frigates under Project 17A, 75% of the orders have been placed with domestic firms including MSMEs, thus reinforcing country's quest for AatmaNirbharata. Under the Project 17A program, a total of 7 ships with 4 at MDL and 3 at Garden Reach Shipbuilders and Engineers GRSE are under construction. Notably, 4 P-17A project ships, 2 each at MDL and GRSE, have also been launched between 2019 and 2022. Recently, MDL kick-started with the launch of 2 frontline warships, namely Udayagiri, the 2nd Stealth Frigate of Nilgiri class, and Surat, the 4th missile destroyer of Visakhapatnam class. The shipyard has modernized its infrastructure and facility for undertaking integrated construction and have also implemented various technologies. With these enablements, MDL presently has capacity of building 10 capital warships and 11 submarines at the same time. Leapfrogging in the shipbuilding domain, recently the United States Navy ship Charles Drew arrived in India for the first time to take repairs and allied services. India's first indigenous aircraft carrier INS Vikrant has also been made by country's largest shipyard and maintenance facility, Cochin Shipyard Limited, which is a shining example of growth of India's shipbuilding industry. Further, under the new innovation ecosystem, vessels capable of undertaking autonomous missions have also been built by Goa Shipyard Limited and some Indian startups. It is noteworthy that country's 4 shipbuilding facilities, namely Mazagon Dock Shipbuilders, Garden Reach Shipbuilders and Engineers Limited, Hindustan Shipyard Limited and Goa Shipyard Limited, are defence public sector undertakings. These DPSUs indigenously design and develop sophisticated high-technology ships for Indian defence forces and other varied clients, including export markets. Importantly, India's defence exports have also seen a massive increase in the last 4 to 5 years. Exports, which were worth Rs 1,500 crore in 2015 and 2016, have now been grown by 800% to around 13,000 crore. This is it in today's session. Thanks for watching.